2000 Dodge Durango 5.9 liter Magnum V8. Right there, SLT edition. Still got a factory, or actually aftermarket converter there. High flow. Then 2.5-inch pipe. And we continued that with more 2.5-inch pipe all the way back into the tailpipe. All the way back. So we basically did a muffler delete right there. And the muffler is the huge long one right there. That one. So that's how you guys do a muffler delete on these. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 1999 Dodge Durango. What size motor? 5.2 liter. Got nice 26s on it. We did this about 2 years ago. This is the only Durango you'll see with side pipes. We put high flow cats and ran side pipes on it. All the way out the sides, right there. Come get you some. V8. We got one on one side. And here's the other side. There it is. He's about to drive off. We'll let you guys hear. One of his hangers broke. He brought it back. This was before we did the YouTube. So we fixed the hangers for him, because we guarantee our work for a lifetime. So we'll let you guys hear him drive off in a minute. Dodge Durango. Listen to that beast roar. It ain't your grandma's Durango no more. Listen to that idle. There's sound decibels. Again. It's actually like 104 because it's farther away. See where the sound decibels are and where it is. So it's about 104. Dodge Durango with side pipes and 26s. Hey, put it in park and rivet. Let them hear what it sounds like. Perfect. Thank you.